Hi my loves, so today I'm going to be doing a haul for you, but before we get into that I want to show you the new version of Shoptagr. I have collaborated with them before and they've got a whole new version which is even better than it was before, and it's going to help you shop smart and all of that kind of stuff. So I'm going to talk you through the new version and then we're going to get back to the haul. So guys, I'm going to show you the new and improved Shoptagr. As you can see, it's had a bit of a makeover. It's looking very chic. So basically Shoptagr is a really useful tool to help you shop a bit smarter, because it's going to tell you when things go on sale, when things come back in stock. So if you're waiting for payday, that's really useful, and it's also going to collate all of your wish lists from all of the websites that you kind of go on in one place, which I find really useful. I often have things in baskets all over the place and it's just nice to be able to see it all in one place and kind of see what your vibe is at the moment. If you've got two very similar things in different places, you can see which one is more affordable. And if we go up here to my notifications, you can kind of see how it works. So it's told me that this animal print bomber jacket from Free People is back in stock. I put this in absolutely ages ago, so yeah, super useful to be able to see that it's back in stock if I still want to buy it. So yeah, and I've got various different lists. We've got gym, high-end jewellery, makeup and wish list, but I think I might make a summer one actually with all my kind of summer wish list items. That's what the dashboard looks like. I will be showing you guys on my Instagram stories how to do this on your phone or like a kind of device of some kind, because you can download the app. So go over to my Instagram stories to check that out, or just download the Shoptagr app. It is super useful if you're shopping on your phone, which I know that we all do these days. I'm going to show you how it works on a website, so we're going to click on this. So basically there's going to be a link in the down bar where you can download Shoptagr. It's essentially just a plugin for your browser, and then it will give you this button which you can see at the top here, and I want to save this dress into my Shoptagr dashboard. So I'm just going to click on the button and it's going to bring this up, and I'm going to choose my size. I can say notify when 25% off, 50% off, or any price change. And then I'm going to add it to a list. I'm just going to add it to my wish list and I'm going to save that. Perfect. And then I'm going to hop over here. There it is, waiting for me, and I can kind of go in and edit what notifications I want and all of that kind of stuff. I can mark it as fulfilled if I buy it. So that is Shoptagr, you guys. Just a really useful tool, and I will let you get back into the haul now. First up, I'm going to show you a pair of shoes. I have got a new pair of Doc Martens to show you guys. This is, I think they're called the Sinclair, and they've got a platform sole which I absolutely love, and then they've got this zip up the front and then this kind of lace detailing as well, which does actually work. There are laces inside that you can kind of tighten and stuff. They're a little bit shorter than the Jadens. I don't have the Jadens here to show you guys, but they're a little bit shorter in the ankle. Next I have something that I haven't actually tried on yet, so you're going to see me trying it on for the first time in the cutaway, but it is this North Face fleece. I just really loved the colours on this. I thought it was kind of unique. Obviously it's quite practical, like genuinely, because Zach and I are doing a lot more walking these days now that we're a bit old. So yeah, but it's also really cool and I would definitely wear it kind of on its own as well. They have a jacket version which I really wanted, but it's so expensive, so I was like, right, get the fleece version instead. I love the colours on that. Next up we have a denim jacket from Blank NYC, I think it is. All of this stuff's from ASOS, by the way, you guys. And this is it. It's like, I just really love the kind of bleached denim vibe with a little bit of blue as well, like an acid wash. I just think it's really super cool. I think it would make a nice summer denim. Last thing that I got from ASOS, which is actually from All Saints, is this little kind of dress and crop t-shirt combo. Again, I haven't tried this on yet, but I imagine you can separate them, so you can wear the dress separately from the t-shirt, but obviously they market them together. And I've wanted kind of like a champagne silky dress like this for ages, and I like that it comes with a t-shirt as well, because sometimes I don't want to show a lot of, hence why I'm wearing this today, sometimes I don't want to show a lot of chest. I just feel very exposed, so I think this is a nice option in the fact that the two come together. They also have this in a black. Okay, now some and other story stuff. I've got two things in a kind of Cupro material, I think it's called. Am I pronouncing that right? Is it even the right material? I'm not sure. First up, I have this t-shirt. I don't think I've ever seen a t-shirt in this material before. If you guys have ever had anything in this material, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. It's very soft, kind of slightly heavy, just really, really comfy feeling, like just love it. So I've got a little black tee, and then I've also got this just really simple dress. It's minorly shapeless, but in a lovely way, just like a v-neck long dress. I just know that I will want to shove this on every day when it comes to summer, if we ever get summer back, because it's currently raining really hard outside. But yeah, you could wear a t-shirt and stuff under that as well, and it would also look nice. So next, some things that I haven't actually had a look at yet. We've got this little skirt from And Other Stories. It's like a tie waist little mini skirt in this super cool pattern. They've got a few things in this pattern. I believe they've got a dress and a shirt. It's like little sweet packets, I think. I just love it. I love the colour. As you can see, I'm wearing a very similar colour today. So yeah, I'm hoping that this will be quite a flattering shape as well, because it's got that kind of tie waist, a little bit of gathering there. It's generally quite a flattering look. Okay, next I have this little checked play suit, which I just think is so cute. Like super vintagey looking and really, really, really nice. I'm hoping again it will be quite a flattering shape because it's got that belt on it. But yeah, they do this in a few different colours and styles, I think. Okay, last piece. I believe I actually mentioned this in my previous haul. I was just like, oh, I think this is a bit of me. So it's the utility vest. I just think with a white t-shirt or something, it will just look so good. So I'm loving that, and I can't wait to style it. So that is it, my loves. Thank you guys for watching today. Hope you enjoyed, and I will see you again very soon. Bye.